Hi guys, I'm Jamie from Katie Doodle. I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you on our gender reveal Cast Your Vote in Old Wives' Tales poster. They're shipped in a nice sturdy tube, and after you unbox it and take out all the contents, you'll notice that it comes with your posters or poster, a wet erasable white chalk writer, as well as mounting tabs. First, you're going to need to cut apart your mounting tabs and place them on each of the four corners of your poster, and then you're ready to put it up. So you have your Cast Your Vote poster, and then you have your Old Wives' Tale poster. When your guests arrive, they can cast their vote simply by making a tally mark or writing their name. If they change their mind and make a mistake, no worries. It's erasable. You could also do tally marks for each of your guests as they vote. Then you have the Old Wives' Tale poster, and you can go through and answer the questions. Once you're done with that, it's time for the big reveal. Have fun. Thanks, guys.